Question number 1. Root 7 subtracted by root 5 times root 7 plus root 5. Root 7 times root 7 equals 7. Root 5 times root 5 equals 5. The difference between them equal 2. Question number 2. X times y equal 3. Then y we have inversely between x, because if we divide it by x, y will be equal 3 over x. You can cancel the constant and equal to and write over x. Reverse inversely with x. Okay, write 1 over x. Number 3, we have interval opened here, closed. 1 and 3 was closed. Cancel from it 0.0 and 1. From 1 and 3 we haven't 1, we haven't 0, then we can cancel 1 only. It will be opened from 1 to 3 closed. Understood? We have interval from 1 and 3, it was closed. You want to cancel 0 and 1. 0 not belonging to this interval, then we must cancel 1 only. Then the result will be opened interval from 1 closed to 3. Have closed. Question number 4, arithmetic means of the value. We can find arithmetic means called sum of all values divided the number of the values. We can add 8 plus 9 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 7, 24. Plus 6, 30. Plus 5, 35. Divided by 5 equals 7. Question number 5. 20% of 10. Meaning 20 over 100 times 10. Cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0. The result will be 2. 2 pounds. Choose letter A. Question number 6. If the point x minus 4 and 2 minus x belonging to z located in the third quadrant here, negative and negative. Okay, then x will be what? Put x equal to here. 2 minus 4, it will be negative 2, and 2 minus 2, 0. So 2 it's false. Okay, put 3 here. 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1. Put 3 here and 3. 3 minus 4, it will be negative 1, and 2 minus 3, negative 1. Then x here, the value of x will be what? Who can tell me? X will be 3. X will be 3. Choose letter B. Find standard division. You can find it by yourself. Okay, question letter B. We have x equal set of 2 and 5, and y equal set of 1 and 2, and z equal set of 3. You want to find number of Cartesian product between x and z. X has 2 elements and z has 1 element, then the number will be 2 elements. You want to find y intersection by x, Cartesian product with z. Intersection between y and x, intersection between them, it will be 2. This is the product between them. The result will be 2 and 3. Okay. Question letter A. If y varies inversely with x, then y equal m over x, and m not equal 0. It's constant. He wants a relation between x and y. We called it varies inversely. He gave us y was equal 3 when x was equal 2. Then the value of m will be 6. Then you can write relation y will be equal 6 over x. It's relation between y and x. He wants to find the value of y when x equal 1.5. At x 1.5, then y equal 6 over 1.5. It will be 4. The value here, it will be 4. We have another relation between x and y, meaning a plus b equals 7. You can write the relation between them. 1 plus 6 equals 7, and 3 plus 4 equals 7, and 5 plus 2 was equal 7, relation between them. Okay, and then you can draw arrow diagram between two sets. Here x and y. X has 1, 3, 4 and 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Join from 1 to 6, 3 with 4, 5 with 2. Okay, the function not, yes, it's function because each element in x has only one image in y. Okay, R is a function because every element in x has only one image in y. Question letter E. If x over y equal 2 over 3, find the value of this expression. 3x plus 2y over 6y minus x. We can put here m and m not equal 0. Then x will be equal to m and y equal 3m. 3 times value of x will be 2m plus 2 times y equal 3m over 6y. 6 times the value of y 3m, subtract by x 2m. 3 times 2 equals 6, 6m plus 3 times 2 equals 6m. 3 times 6 equals 18m minus 2m. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 18 minus 2 equals 16. Cancel. And the simplest, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 16 divided by 4 equals 4. The result here will be 3 over 4. Okay, it's a relation between them. Next example. Question letter B. We have the relation between R and R. If a function f of x was equal 4x subtract by a, and the point 2 and b was falling into this function, then this point satisfies this equation. Put x equal 2 and y equal b. It's y, then b is equal 4 times 2, it will be 8, subtract by a, then value of a equal what? Again, reading with me here, straight line intersection is x-axis. It's meaning intersection this x-axis, it will be y equal 0. This point 2 and b, it's meaning what? Intersecting x-axis, it's meaning y equal 0. Then b here will be equal 0. Why? Because this straight line cut off this point 2 and b. This point lies in where? In x-axis. He cut x-axis at this point. Okay, this axis here, such that this is increasing this function at the point here, x-axis here, cut off x-axis at the point 2 and b. Then this point will be 2 and 0. Then the value of b here, it will be equal 0. B will be equal 0. Okay, because this straight line cut off x-axis at the point 2 and b, then the value of b here, it will be 0. So you must put b here equal 0. Put b equal 0. Okay, b, it's meaning what? The image y. Okay, then a will be equal 8. The value of a here equal 8. Understood these tips? Okay, next question. Number 4. Here, number 5. Okay, letter E. 5, letter E is if B is the middle proportional between E and C, we can write E and C and B in the middle and write the constant M, where M not equal 0, then A will be equal Cm power 2 and B was equal Cm. Prove that A power 2 plus power 2 over B power 2 plus c power 2, we can find the result here. A power 2, A was cm power 2 all power 2 plus p power 2, p was cm all power 2 over p power 2, p was cm all power 2 plus c power 2, right, c power 2 m power 4 plus c power 2 m power 2, and here c power 2 m power 2 plus c power 2. You can write c power 2 had common factor and m power 2 divided this term by this term, it will be m power 2, and this term by itself it will be 1. We can write c power 2 had common factor between them. Result will be m power 2 plus 1. The result will be m power 2. Okay, and then we want to prove that this expression equal e over c, it's right hand side. And what about left hand side? Was m power 2. You can find right hand side here. He give us e over c. Put the value of a was c m power 2 here. C power 2 over c, cancel c by c. The result will be m power 2. It's exactly the result. Then they are equality. Left hand side equal right hand side equal m power 2. Next question. Represent graphically this function and determine minimum or maximum about the value. We have f of x equal x power 2 minus 2, and we have the interval from -3 to 3. You can write -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3, x and y. But in this function, -3 power 2 9, 9 minus 2 7, -2 power 2 4, minus 2 equal 2, -1 power 2 1, minus 1 equal 1, -1, -2, 1 minus -2, -1, 2 power 2 4, 4 minus 2 equal 2, 3 power 2 9, 9 minus 2 equals 7. Then the vertex here will be 0 and -2, the vertex, and equation of line symmetry x equal 2. And what about minimum or maximum? The coefficient of x power 2 was positive. It means this function it will be what drawing here minimum. Then it will be minimum. The value of minimum it will be what? -2. And then you can draw from -3 to 7, -3 here, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, -3 to 7, -2 with 2, -1 with -1, 0 with -2, and 1 and -1, 2 with 2, 3 with 7. Is a function here. Okay, it's the last question here.